Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. I'm going to show you how to decorate cupcakes like Victoria sponge cakes. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. These are great to make mini Victoria sponge cakes for afternoon tea. So I've baked my cupcakes, which I'm going to get out of the case. You can get some, I've seen some cake stands, like mini ones, that you can actually bake the cakes in, but I like this ones. So I've got my cupcake there, which I'm going to cut in half. Got some homemade raspberry jam I made about 2 years ago. I still have quite a few left, and you see, still good to go and eat, as long as you've look at that. As long as your jars have been sterilized well and you store them properly, it should last for quite a while. So I'm going to put some jam on this one. And I'm going to wipe some buttercream on this one. I'm using a 2D nozzle. I'm going to lift it up and put that on top and dust some icing sugar on top. I'm using a tea diffuser. I found this in a shop. I was like, oh, this would be great for dusting on top of my cakes. Okay, that's it. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website, www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.